To lock apps on Honor X7D, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to find the security and privacy, and then we can scroll down until we find device and data protection. Here, go for the app lock. Now you can enable it, and you need to select a password for your app lock. You can go for a custom PIN or lock screen password. In this case, I'm going to go for the lock screen password. We need to enter the password, and then we can activate app lock for certain apps. For example, Google Chrome. Now it's locked, which means when we go back and try to open the Chrome, we need to enter a password to access it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.